Here's how to convert to HEIF for free. So I created an app called ConvertSave, and you guys can check it out in the description for free. It will convert all kinds of different file types. And so if we have different images here and we want to convert them to that HEIF file type, we can just click and drag them into ConvertSave. It does not upload your files anywhere. This converts completely offline. We go select output. We're going to go select HEIF. It's a little scroll down, but it's right here. And then we're going to hit convert, and it will save them right next to where those images came from. So pretty much one day I was very sick of trying to find different websites that felt sketchy, uploading files to convert them and then download them. And so I asked my brother, who is a software developer, if we could make an app that can convert video, audio, and image files offline on Mac and Windows. And he was like, yeah, it's pretty easy. Actually, it's not that easy. We've worked on it a lot, and we just released it. And if you're watching this video, you can actually use it for free with the link in the description. I appreciate your guys' support, and hopefully you find ConvertSave useful. It's a really quick and easy way to convert a lot of different file types, hundreds of different conversion file types. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.